Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Neiro AI. So Neiro AI is an AI avatar creator. So you can select an avatar. Neiro has a huge collection of avatars. You can choose from any of them and then all you have to do is just add a script. And once you add the script, you can make the avatar say whatever you want. Other than the pre-given avatars, you can even create your own custom avatar on Neiro. And Neiro is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $300, but at Appsumo, you're getting this tool at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you have access to 140 plus languages. All the videos are going to have a resolution of 1080p. The generated videos, you have access to all the pro voices. You can add your own brand kit. There is also an additional feature which is text to speech. There are over 60 AI presenters or the avatars, and you will also get access to all the future avatars. There is also dashboard, script generation, and you can create videos up to 10 minutes in length. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy. The tier 1 costs $59 where you get 15 AI video minutes per month, and you also have one seat, no Neiro watermark, and you can download your videos as many times as you want. There is also tier 2, tier 3, and the highest tier is this tier 4 that gives you a massive amount of video minutes, 250 to be precise. You also have 5 seats and obviously no watermark, unlimited download, and you can also create 2 custom avatars. So on the tier 3, you can create 1 custom avatar, but on the highest tier, you have the option to create 2. But keep in mind, on the tier 2 or the tier 1, there is no option to create your own custom avatar. So if you want to buy Neiro AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now, before I go to the dashboard, first let me show you the roadmap of Neiro. So here's the roadmap of Studio Neiro. You can see all the under consideration features, planned features, in development, and also all the shipped features. Now let's go to the dashboard and let me show you how Neiro is going to work. So before I go to the dashboard, so let me show you some videos that are generated by Neiro. So here's one video. Let me turn on the sound.
This video was generated with the help of Studio Neiro.
This video was generated with the help of Studio Neiro AI technology.
This video was generated with the help of Studio Neiro AI technology.
This video was generated with the help of
This video was generated with the help of Studio Neiro AI technology.
So as you can see, these are some of the demos that are created using Neiro. Now let me show you how can you create videos just like these ones. Let me go to the dashboard. So now we are in the Studio Neiro where we can start creating our videos. So the first thing that we have to do is select our avatar, and there are a lot of avatars on here. To be precise, there are over 60 avatars. So you can choose any of them. So for example, I want to choose this one, this particular one. And on top, you can even see some categories. So you can see some avatars that are suitable for presentation. So these are the presentation suitable avatars. Then some TikTok style avatars. Okay, so these are the TikTok style avatars. If I select one, so now hopefully I can show you an example how this is going to work.
Create your stunning videos now. Just enter your text and click the generate button.
So these are some of the TikTok styled avatars that you can select. And then there are also some emotional avatars. So these particular avatars are going to show emotions. So I'm just going to select the avatar that I selected before. This was the particular avatar. Once I select the avatar, I can now add the text script. So for that, I will have to go to this text section. So on this text section, something you should keep in mind is that Neiro currently does not support custom voice. So you cannot upload your own voice file or own audio file and then use that on the avatar. So you have to use the AI voices that are provided by Neiro. And as for the text, you have to provide your text on here. But if you want to generate a script using AI, you do not have to use ChatGPT or any other AI tools separately. You can just go to this GPT script and provide a topic. And then you can also describe your audience, then generate a text. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, now we have got 2 variations according to the prompt or the commands that I gave. But I don't want to use this script. I just want to go to this your text and then I want to paste one of my text on here. So here's the text that I want to use. And now on top I can select various languages for the AI voice. And there are a lot of languages available, as you can see. So for example, if I select French, so now as you can see, automatically the text has been translated to French. So this is really good, but I just want to keep it English. Okay, my text has once again changed. So I'm just going to paste the text once again. So here's my script. You can also change the tone of the voice, and you can also select a particular voice from here. And if you want, you can also preview any voice.
As an organizer, I start from where the word.
So this is how you can
A man is
preview
not
any
old as-
voice.
If opportunity
You can also see the gender for the voice, the age of the voice. So there are a lot of voices on here. And then last but not least, we can also add custom background for this particular video. So it could be just green screen, or it could also be the default light, which is this white light background that you can see. And the best part is you can even add your own background, which is amazing. So I want to do that. Let me upload an image. Okay, so I uploaded my image. And as you can see, the avatar is now appearing. So from on the top left side, I can also change the aspect ratio. It could be, so it is set to portrait mode, but I can also switch to landscape mode. So as you can see, after going to the landscape mode, the video and the avatar looks way better. So I'm just going to keep it. And obviously we have got our script on here, our text. Okay, so once again, it has changed. Let me once again paste my text. And now what I want to do is just click on generate video. So here's the preview. I can see the text. I can see the length of this particular video and also a preview. So just click on generate. Okay, so the video has now been generated and now we can see the video. So let me play this one. But let me just download the video so I can show you this without any watermark. Okay, so here's our video and now there's no watermark. Let me play this one.
Hello there! It's wonderful to connect with you today. I hope this message finds you well and brings a bit of brightness to your day. Whether you're starting your morning with a cup of coffee, taking a break in the afternoon, or winding down in the evening, know that your presence is appreciated.
So this was basically the video that we have generated using Neiro. And keep in mind the avatar we have used, it is not emotional, so it does not show any emotions. But you can also choose emotional avatars if you want to see some emotions. And once you open your video, you can download it, copy the link in order to view it. You can also try this particular script with other avatars. You can also regenerate with this avatar or edit the video. So for editing, you get all the previous options. So you can change the background, text, as well as the avatar. And as I said before, there are some emotional avatars that are going to show emotions. These are those. You can also get some TikTok style or front camera avatars. Let me show you those. So these are the TikTok style or front camera presenters or the avatars. And obviously you also have avatars for presentation. And other than generating videos with avatar, you can also turn your text into speech. Just go to this particular section and all you have to do is provide your text on here and click on generate speech. But you can also generate a script or text using GPT chatbot. So all you have to do is just provide your topic and describe your target audience. Then you can generate the text for that particular audience. And once you get that text, you can turn that text into speech from here. And obviously you can change the language from this huge list of languages. You can also choose the tone of voice. And you can also choose a particular voice according to the gender or the age. And Neiro also have some integrations. So let me show you those. So it has Adobe Express add-on, Canva integration, as well as ChatGPT plugin. And on the dashboard, you can see all of your videos or the text-to-speech that are generated using this tool. So overall, I think Neiro is an excellent tool that lets you create videos with avatars. You can add your script or text. And there is also another feature that is text-to-speech. There are a huge collection of languages on Neiro. There are over 60 plus avatars. And there are also a lot of AI voices that you can choose from. So if you want to buy Neiro AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also tier 4. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.